What's up, future dwellers? Remember when we thought AI couldn't get any cooler? Wrong. While you were busy asking ChatGPT to write your emails, Kling just dropped a feature bomb that's making every other AI video tool look obsolete. I'm talking about Elements. And this isn't just another update with a fancy name. This is the difference between a bicycle and a rocket ship. Today we're breaking down how this revolutionary feature is changing content creation in ways you never thought possible. So let's dive into the 5 mind-blowing capabilities that are about to transform how you create video content forever. Fact 1. Real-time scene composition. Imagine directing a Hollywood movie without the $200 million budget. Elements lets you manipulate every aspect of your AI-generated scenes in real time. Change lighting, reposition objects, and adjust your virtual actors' emotions, all with intuitive controls that make traditional editing software look ancient. But hold on to your keyboards. If you think that's impressive, wait until you see what this baby does with visual styles. Fact 2. Adaptive style transfer. Remember when we used to slap basic filters on videos and call it artistic? How cute. With Elements, you can inject the DNA of any visual aesthetic imaginable. Want your product demo to have Blade Runner vibes or Wes Anderson whimsy? Done in seconds, without the post-production nightmares or expensive VFX artists. Now, before your mind completely melts, let me introduce you to the feature that's going to make your content planning feel supernatural. Fact 3. Contextual scene generation. Here's where things get next level. Elements understands narrative context. Need a sequence showing technological evolution through decades? It'll automatically generate historically accurate scenes, from rotary phones to smartphones, maintaining consistent characters throughout. It's like having a film studies department working for you without the coffee breaks. Think that's impressive? Buckle up, we're just getting to the good stuff. Fact 4. Emotional intelligence mapping. This is where Elements makes other AI tools look emotionally stunted. The system analyzes your script and suggests visual compositions that amplify emotional impact. Discussing something inspirational? Watch as lighting subtly shifts to create an uplifting atmosphere. Need urgency? The visual rhythm adapts instantly. It's like having a director and psychologist working in perfect harmony. And finally, the feature that'll save you from endless revisions. Fact 5. Feedback integration. Elements doesn't just create videos, it learns from how people respond to them. The system collects viewer engagement data and shows exactly which elements are working. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just show pretty graphs, it suggests specific adjustments to improve engagement. It's like having a focus group and creative director working for you 24/7. I could ramble about how Elements is changing everything, but you need to see it in action. The creators who adopt this tech now will be light years ahead of everyone else still fumbling with outdated tools. If you're serious about creating standout content in 2025, Kling's Elements isn't just another shiny toy. It's the difference between being remembered and being forgotten in the content tsunami that's drowning the internet every single day. Let me know in the comments which of these features just blew your mind. I'm betting it's the emotional intelligence mapping, and if you're ready to level up your content game, you know what to do. The AI revolution waits for no one, my friends. While everyone else is stuck in yesterday's workflows, you could be crafting tomorrow's viral sensations. Until next time, stay creative, stay ahead, and remember, in the content game, it's evolve or disappear.